This will kind of give you a little idea of, in Lab 6, like what I'm saying and what it actually looks like. So the first part, you're dangling your thermometer. You just taped a little ribbon to the back of it, and then that way you have the ribbon sticking out so you can twist the cap. That way you can see what the thermometer is actually saying. The digital didn't work so well because mine didn't go low enough to catch what was going on inside of the actual bottle. So I used a different way to show you. I used an infrared thermometer. That's what I had handy at the time of this recording, and it's a little bit different of how it's recording because it's catching the heat off the bottle, but because of the changes that I'm making to it. So it still gives you the same idea. So you can, if you have one of these handy, you can use something like that, or just get one of those liquid crystal strips. Those work just as well too. And if you have a digital thermometer that works a little better than mine did, then that goes just a little bit lower, then that could work for you as well. The next part of it is going to be the cloud in the bottle part. So this is going to show you what I wrote down of like your steps that you need to do. It's actually pretty simple. You can do a couple different ways. You can light a piece of paper on fire and stick it in to make sure you get lots of smoke in there, or do what I'm just about ready to do and it works just the same. So, I mean, however you can get more smoke inside the bottle is the way to actually go. So, blowing it out, sticking it in, and then twisting the cap. The more you squeeze it and keep going with it, the more it's going to be more and more noticeable. And you can tell what's going on. I'm not going to ruin it for you. It's much more fun if you actually do the experiment yourself, because it's kind of hard to see on a video. But the more you squeeze it, the more you're going to notice what's happening and be able to answer those questions.